Welcome to Expat Choice TV. I'm your host, John Gordon, and today we visit Cheers, which is located at 456 Joo Chiat Road on the East Coast. Cheers is a great bar bites, great food, incredible tunes. So, let's go take a look. Cheers Bistro and Bar at Joo Chiat is a place to chill. You'll meet plenty of new friends at this bar because the atmosphere is very welcoming and inviting. The bar is open from 3 p.m. till 10:30 p.m. daily. That's Monday through to Sunday. You can call ahead and speak to Sam, the owner, on 9678 3737 to ensure your table is waiting on your arrival. With great bar bites, the menu is extensive and there'll be something for everyone. Cheers Bistro and Bar at Joo Chiat is located at 456 Joo Chiat Road on the East Coast. As you can see from the interiors, there's plenty of opportunity to find a cosy corner to have a private chat, enjoy a couple of beers with your mates, or come as a small group, have some bar bites, a couple of cocktails, and move on to some whiskies later in the night. And the man that makes it all happen behind the bar, Sam. So there you have it. You've seen Sam's bar here at Cheers Bistro and Bar, 456 Joo Chiat Road on the East Coast. It's a great place to come, great vibe, incredible tunes, wonderful food, incredible drinks. What more can I say? This is John Gordon reporting for Expat Choice TV.